Hello everyone, this is Dr. Bhavani Akuleti. Today I'm going to demonstrate the asanas and pranayama which will help in improving the immune system. We will start today's yoga session by chanting 3 rounds of Omkara followed by Shloka. Join your hands in Namaskara Mudra. Inhale and chant Om. योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचा मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोतं प्रवरं मुनीना पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि. Tie your hands at the back, bow down and do Bhunamana. Inhale and come up, rub your palms together, make cup of your palms and place it on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes by looking at your palms. Come to Vajrasana. Stretch your hands in front and come to standing Sthiti. Keep your legs 1 foot apart. Keep your hands on the waist. Now we'll do neck bending. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Sideward looking. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Neck rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll do shoulder rotation. Stretch your hands in front, bend at your elbows, touch both the elbows together. Start rotation. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Release. Now we'll do hip rotation. Keep your hands on your waist. Rotate your hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite direction. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. We'll do knee movements. Lift your right leg, thighs parallel to the ground. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Opposite leg. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Come to Sthiti. Legs together, hands by the side of your body. Interlock your fingers. Inhale and rise both the arms and heels together. Come on your toes and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Slowly release in the reverse order and relax. Come to Sthiti. Legs together, hands by the side of your body. Inhale and slowly raise your arms upwards. While exhaling, slowly bend your trunk forwards from your hips. Try touching palms on the ground next to your feet. Do not bend at your knees and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release in reverse order. Give slight backward bending. Release and relax. Now we'll perform Ardha Chakrasana. Stand straight, legs together. Place your both the palms on your waist, giving good support to your lower back. Inhale and slowly bend backwards as much as possible. Maintain with slow and deep breathings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Exhale and come back. Perform another time. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release and relax. We will perform Trikonasana. Come to Sthiti, legs together and hands by the side of your body. Now widen your legs 3 to 4 feet apart. Right feet towards your right side, left feet towards your slightly right side. Inhale and raise your arms by the side of your body. Exhale and bend towards your right side. Place your right palm on your right ankle. Look towards your left palm and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Exhale and come back. Perform on the opposite side. Bend to your left side. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Come back. Go to Shavasana. Stretch your hands in front. Go to Vajrasana. Release your legs one by one. And slowly, with the help of your elbows, go to Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart, palms facing the roof. Relax. Observe the changes after practice of asanas. Relax yourself. Prepare yourself for the practice of Setubandhasana. Legs together, hands by the side of your body. Let's perform Setubandhasana. Bend out your knees and try touching your feet to your buttocks. Now catch hold of your ankle joint. Inhale and lift yourself up by pushing stomach outwards. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Exhale and release. We'll perform it one more time. Inhale and lift. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Release and relax. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart. Observe the changes in your body. Now we'll perform Uttana Padasana. Come to Sthiti, legs together, hands together, hands by the side of your body. Inhale and raise both the legs to 90 degrees from the floor. Make sure your knees are not bent and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale and release. Release slowly. We'll perform one more time. Inhale and raise both the legs together, making 90 degree. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release slowly. Relax in Shavasana. Legs apart, hands apart, palms facing upwards. Feel the pressure changes in the abdomen region. Feel the changes. Next, we'll perform Pavanamuktasana. Come to Sthiti, legs together, hands by the side of your body. Raise your both the legs to 90 degree. Bend at your knees and bring it close to your chest. Wrap your arms around the legs. Inhale and come up. Touch the forehead, knees, and maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale and release the head. Do not release the legs. We'll perform one more time. Inhale and come up. Touch your forehead to your knees. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale and release the head. Release your hands and legs slowly. Come to Sthiti. Now we'll perform Markatasana. Raise both your hands to shoulder level. Bend at your knees. While inhaling, turn your legs towards your right side. Try turning as much as possible. Now turn your head towards your left side. Maintain and feel the stretch in back. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Inhale and come back. Now perform in the opposite side. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Release in the reverse order and relax. Relax in Shavasana. Observe the changes after the asana practice. Join your legs together, hands by the side of your body. Lift the right hand above. Bend at your left knee. Turn towards your right side. Slowly, with the support of your hands, come up. Sit in Vajrasana. Go to Shashankasana. Release your legs one by one and go to Makarasana. Lie on your abdomen. Place your right palm on your left shoulder, left palm on your right shoulder. Rest the chin on your arms. Maintain the posture. Now come to Sthiti. Legs together, hands by the side of your body. We'll perform Bhujangasana, that is Cobra pose. Place your palms beside your chest. Inhale and slowly rise your forehead, head, neck, and trunk. Elbows should be semi-flexed and near to your body. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale and release slowly. We'll perform one more time. Inhale and raise your forehead, neck, and trunk. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale and release slowly. Relax in Makarasana. Observe the changes in your back region. Feel the changes. Relax yourself. Place your palms beside your chest and with the support of your arms, go to Shashankasana. Maintain in Shashankasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Feel the stretch. 9, 10. Inhale and slowly come up. Sit in Vajrasana. Inhale and come up on your knees. Keep little gap between your knees. Now place your palms on your waist and support your back. We'll perform Ardha Ustrasana. Inhale and bend back slowly. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale and slowly come to Vajrasana. We will perform it one more time. Inhale and come up. Bend back slowly with the help of your palms. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Exhale and slowly come to Vajrasana. Observe the changes after the asana practice. Observe the back muscles. Now we'll perform Majurasana, that is cat pose. Come up on your knees, hip width apart. Place your palms flat on the floor, fingers facing forwards. Keep arms and thighs perpendicular to the floor. Now inhale deeply and raise the head, pushing the spine inwards, forming a concave curve. Hold the breath. Exhale and lower the head and push the spine upwards, forming a hunched back. Hold the breath. Inhale and lift your head up. Hold the breath. Exhale and lower the head down. Hold the breath. Inhale and lift your head up. Hold the breath. Exhale and lower the head. Hold the breath. Release. Release the posture and relax in Vajrasana. Slowly release the legs one by one. Come to sitting sthiti. We will perform Gomukhasana. Bend your right leg and place the right feet under the left buttock. Stack your left knee over the right knee. Now raise your left arm above the head and bend the elbow. Simultaneously bring your right arm behind your back and interlock both the hands. Maintain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release in reverse order. We will perform in the opposite side. Maintain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Slowly release in reverse order. Sit in any comfortable meditative posture. We will perform pranayama. Make sure your back and neck are straight throughout the practice. Now we'll perform Kapalabhati Kriya. Keep your hands in Chin Mudra and place it on your knees. Now inhale deeply, and while exhaling, pull your abdomen in and exhale forcefully for 30 strokes. As you relax the abdomen, feel the automatic flow of breath into the lungs. Perform again. Inhale deeply and exhale forcefully for 60 strokes. Slowly stop the practice and observe the stoppage of breathing. Observe the changes. Observe the breathing pattern changes. Now we'll perform Nadi Shodhana Pranayama. Keep your left hand in Chin Mudra, right hand in the Nasikagra Mudra. Close the right nostril with the thumb. Inhale from the left nostril. Exhale from the right nostril, closing the left nostril. Inhale from the right nostril and exhale from the left nostril. This completes one round. Perform for 5 rounds. Slowly stop the practice. Observe the changes. We will perform Brahmari Pranayama. Observe the changes before that. Keep your hands in Suchimudra. With help of your index finger, close your ears. Inhale from the nose and while exhaling, make humming bee sound. Feel the vibration in the head region. Inhale. 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 Now, slowly stop the practice. Observe the changes. Observe the changes in your breathing pattern. Observe the positive energy after the practice of yoga. In this peaceful state of mind, we will conclude today's yoga session by chanting one round of Omkara followed by Shanti Mantra. Join your palms together in Namaskara Mudra. Inhale deeply and chant Om. सर्वे भवन्तु सुखिनः सर्वे सन्तु निरामया सर्वे भद्राणि पश्यन्तु मा कश्चित् दुःखभाग् भवेत् ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. Tie your hands at the back. Bend down and do Bhunamana. Inhale and come up. Rub your palms together. Make cup of your palms and place it on your eyes. Slowly, by looking at your palms, open your eyes. Here, I would like to address few important things we should be following to be sound and healthy. Sleep. Make sure you get 7 hours of sleep per day. Lack of sleep can affect your immune system. Sound sleep is very important for good immune functioning. Nutrition. Take more easily digestible food, more of fruits and vegetables, which contains vitamins and minerals like citrus fruits, vitamin C supplements, and for vitamin D, take sun bath in the morning or late in the afternoon, which will improve the immune system functioning. Third one is hydration. Make sure you consume 3 to 4 liters of water per day in any form. It might be juices or soup or liquid diet. Make sure you hydrate yourself properly. Mental health. It is proven that depression weakens the immune system, which will increase the susceptibility to illness. Make sure your mental health is good. Listen to good music, read good books, do what makes you happy. Physical activity. Physical activity is very important. Yoga reduces the inflammation and degeneration process. It not only improves the physical health but also the mental health. So make sure you practice yoga every day. Thank you.